Hi guys, welcome to another review video on our YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be reviewing this beautiful planter stand which I got from Amazon. So yeah, as you can see it's from a brand called Ecofynd and I got it for 3799 rupees in Great Indian Festival sale. So it has three tiers, so three shelves basically. So it's white in color as you can see and the material is iron and it's coated with a powder so that it won't rust easily, and it's very easy to fix. It all the required screws and everything is included in the package itself. The package is very cute, so as you can see it's very beautiful and it's very easy to fix. So this stand, as you can see, there will be two of such stands which you can fix in sides and then start fixing the shelves to begin with. And then after that you can easily just put the top part, it's just sticking it in. So yeah, this is how it looks. It looks very like it's very easy to fix, and yeah, you can use it to put all your planters.